About
I'm
what?
up for eviction automatically now.
Rooboy, you're not going anywhere.
Big Soso, please don't
By
kill me.
God's
Yes, I
grace.
believe in God, but...
You shouldn't be scared. No, there's no
No,
but.
I'm not like I'm scared now,
When you believe in God, there's no but. Faith is action and belief.
Don't be lying.
And you allow God to do the rest. God brought you here. God is not going to cut short your journey.
Amen.
You're one of the most lively, fun people here. You have a beautiful heart.
I know,
And
you too.
unlike, you know, most guys, you sabi the way they relate with everybody.
Yeah.
You know, and nobody takes it personal, and it takes a lot. You know, and God has seen your heart. You've been trying to get into this stuff. And you are here now. You are putting all your energy. Why do you think we voted you as most influential?
I'm telling you.
You know? So, you know, by God's grace, you need to have that belief.
Even me that I'm saying that I've not won it, I'm even coming from another perspective that it's not easy. I think I'm the first person that is going to the house of snail and still be in our sets. It's crazy, actually. That's a major win, too.
Let me tell you something here.
So I'm calculating those wins, those small wins. It's piling up to become major wins soon, so...
In this life, not be by certain things. It's by your personality. People see your personality outside, and they would want to work with you. A lot of people can win whatever they win here, and they live here, and nobody gives a damn about them.
No cap.
But you have the personality, and that's something... This is an entertainment industry.
Yeah.